Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we will be making a healthy and refreshing milkshake with dried fruits and nuts. This milkshake is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients like protein, iron, and calcium, which can help boost your energy levels. You can adjust the quantity of nuts or dried fruit to suit your taste buds and digestive capacity. So let's begin. To prepare these nuts and raisins, soak them in hot water for 2 hours. After that, make sure to rinse them and dry them before using them in any recipe. Put the nuts, raisins, and chopped dates in a blender. Blend everything together until it becomes a smooth paste. Add half milk and blend again. Add sugar to the mixture, around 1 to 2 tablespoons. Blend again well. To make it taste even better and look more special, you can pour chocolate syrup on the rim of the glass. Pour the dry fruits and nuts milkshake into the glasses and serve it right away. Add some broken nuts on top as a garnish. Thank you for watching this incredibly delicious milkshake. It's a healthy drink recipe that you can quickly make for your loved ones in the morning. It provides an instant energy boost. Give this easy-to-make milkshake recipe a try and enjoy. To discover more effortless culinary creations, please visit my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. I will return shortly with more delightful recipes. So, take care and bye for now.